Fort Sam Houston ito. Pupunta kami sa commissary. There's a food truck over there. People is online getting the food from the food truck. Oh, it's not a food truck, it's the police. I thought it's a food truck.
Good morning. Good. Thank you.
Happy!
Push your foot. Push your foot.
Order ako ng sushi. California sushi. Nandito kami sa Sarku, Japan. Sarku, Japan. Nandun si Daddy sa Qdoba. Slim Chicken, Philly Steak, Subway. Big fat burrito. You already eat.
There's one here.
Show them. Show them. That's the big fat burrito.
Okay, guys, just got a burrito.
Look at that big fat burrito.
It's a big burrito right there.
Aww.
It's got chicken, guacamole, rice, black beans. It's got bell peppers.
From Qdoba, Mexican Eats.
Yeah, that's a good one right there.
Then commissary now. We got avocado and mushroom. Wala tayong carrots. Ang lalaki naman ng carrots din. Ito, may maliit ditong carrots. May maliit ditong carrots. Wow, that's the nice banana. At Walmart, it's ugly. How about some gulay? May radish, oh. Minsan lang ako makatagpo ng radish dito sa commissary. This one is good. I like this one. Saka bok choy. May pechay naman akong tanim doon. So, meron pa ako nun. Ito ata ay ano, mustasa. Mustasa ba ito? Spinach. Ito yung mga pinamili kanina sa commissary. Ito ang number 1 importante sa lahat. Huggies diaper. Number 6. Kasi ang aking baby is malakas sa diaper. Ito ay sa room. And then ito ay nakakita ako ng potato starch. Masarap to sa fried chicken. I-dip ang bread. Ibe-breaded ang chicken sa potato starch. First time ko nakabili niyan. Tapos itong popcorn ni Kuya. Mahilig si Kuya sa popcorn. And then itong aming panghugas ng pinggan. Ano pa? Ito, nakakuha ako ng melon. Masarap to. Palamigin sa rep. Ang bango. $2 lang ito. $2. Magkakat ako ng pakwan yung galing sa BA. Ito, banana ito ni baby. Banana at saka yung dalawang avocado ko. Gagawa ako ng wrapper. Gagamitin ko yung wrap na na may hindi naman sushi wrap yun eh. Yung paper, rice paper ba ang tawag doon? Yan, may banana si baby. Parang bulok na ang nabili ni Daddy. Ay, hindi pala. Ano lang siya, hinog na. At ito yung yellow corn tortilla. Mahilig si Daddy niyan at si Tim. Alin pa? Ano pa? Ito. Bumili ako nitong aking pads at saka aking pang SPF 30 at saka itong brush panglinis ng dede ng bote kasi sira na yung panlinis ko ng bote. Why are you crying? Who did it? Say hi. Say hi. Orti. Tumae po yan sa store kanina. Ang baho. Ang baho doon sa commissary. Tumae. Ang bata. Tumae ang bata. Cute. Thank you po Ate Joby sa aming Pilipina na kapitbahay dito sa Texas. Ang sarap ng macaroni niya. Oh. chicken macaroni salad, just like my mom. My mom's macaroni is just like that.
Wow.
She just gave it to us today. Ang sarap. Hindi pa nga ako tapos mag-put away ng groceries. Gawa ni baby, oh. Nakakatulog na si baby, oh. Tapos ni ate Joby ng yung kapitbahay ko ditong Pinay. Doon kami mag-spend ng 4th of July sa bahay nila Ate Levy. Doon sa katapat ng bahay ni Ate Joby. Thank you po! It's on. So this is our bag. It says this is Aquatots. So this is your stuff for your swimming when you're done swimming. And this is me and Marilyn. Maybe I'll change the small towel to, big towel to small towel, because you know, big towel is really hard to because it's always, the big towel is really big and it goes to the floor sometimes, yeah, right? And the small towel is just easy to, you know, use it because it's too small, right?
Right.
So we use this instead of big towels. So I got this back to the and change it to small towels. I got Dad's clothes. Instead, Dad is the one who swim Marilyn. Plastic, our wet clothes. I should put some on your bag. In your bag because you're wet. Huh? You can use it. Okay.
Not right now.
No, yeah, later.
Yeah.
So this is our swimming today. What time is our swimming? Your swimming lesson?
5:30. I don't know.
5:30. You and Marilyn. Okay, let's go. We're on the way to swimming class. Tim and Marilyn swimming class Tuesday. 5:30. It's only 4.
Tim, what time is it? 5:30, right?
So hot. How many degrees today?
107.
107 degrees. Oh my gosh. It's like you're in the oven. Naka-swimsuit na po yan. Pupunta po sa swimming lesson.
I think it will make your legs feel a lot better. Loosen it up, it would feel good, like a massage, right?
It's not our turn yet, so we have to wait. We have to wait our turn. Wait, we have to wait. We have to wait. We're almost. It's almost 5:30. It's almost our turn. Wait a minute. Like 13 more minutes. Just wait. Hindi makahintay ang bulinggit na ito. Wait lang. Hintay tayo ng 5:30. 5:30 tayo mag-start. Gusto niya mag-swimming. Excited eh. Ay, Lord is good. She was excited, huh, Daddy? But it's 9 more minutes. Wait until it's 5:30. They're gonna call us. Call her name and Tim's name. So pretty.
Thank you.
Swimming. 1, 2, 3. Swimming. Swimming. 1, 2, 3. Swimming. Done swimming lesson. This is the 3rd time they had the swimming lesson. So this is the 3rd McDonald's. Like a happy meal, huh? Yay! Merlin did good and Tim did good and Daddy did not cry and
No, not very much.
we're happy that they are doing good at swimming class. Ha, Dad?
Yes, ma'am.
Time of the Happy Meal. Happy Meal again.